Hello, friends! My name is BUBA, and today we are going to learn all about friendship. Yay! Friendship means being kind, helping each other, and having lots of fun together. Yay! Are you ready to sing, learn, and play? Let's get started. Look! Bunny is helping Bear pick up a toy. That's being kind. And look at Bear.
Thank you.
He's sharing his snack.
Thank you.
That's being a good friend. Yes, friends are kind, helpful, and love to share. Yes, can you say that with me? Friends are kind, helpful, and love to share.
Friends are kind, they always care. They take turns and love to share. Friends give hugs when you feel blue. That's what friends always do. Play, play, laugh all day. Friends are here, hooray, hooray. Sing and dance, it's fun to do. That's what friends do with you. Friends are helpful, they hold your hand. Together we're a happy band. Friends make every day so bright. With friends, the world feels just right. Play, play, laugh all day. Friends are here, hooray, hooray. Sing and dance, it's fun to do. That's what friends do with you.
Friends like to show they care. Can you wave to a friend? Wave with me.
Hello.
Hi, friend. Now let's give a big hug to our animal friends. Give a big hug to your friend. Hug, hug, hug. So soft. Finally, let's give a give five to a friend. High five. One more time. And high five. High five.
Wave hello, wave hello. Say hi to your friend. Smile, smile, smile. Let the kindness never end. High five, friends are always near. Clap, 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 let's all give a cheer. Hug, 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 show you really care. Share, 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 friends are always fair. High five, friends are always near. Clap, 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 let's all give a cheer.
You are amazing. I love how you're showing kindness with your actions. Let's keep going. Oh no! Bunny and Bear wanna play with same ball together. What should they do? Let's help them. I think they can take turns. That's a great idea. Taking turns is a kind thing to do. Let's say it together. Take turns. One more time. Take turns. Yes, you can take turns. And share.
When you want want to play, but your friend does too. Here's a little thing that you can do. Take turns, it's easy and fair. Take turns, show that you care. One for me, one for you. Sharing is a thing to do. Take turns, it's easy and fair. Take turns, show that you care.
Taking turns is such a kind thing to do. Let's practice. Imagine you have a toy. Pretend to give it to your friend. Great! Now they give it back. Yeah, great job. Okay. Great taking things. Take turns. Let's play a game. I'll show you my friends, and you have to find them on the screen. Ready? Let's go. There is Bunny. Point to Bunny. Yay! And where is Bear? Point to it. Point to Bear. Wonderful!
Where, oh where is my friend? Look around and point to them. Bunny, bear, or hedgehog too. Find your friend, it's up to you. Look left, look right, where could they be? Let's all play and see. Where, oh where is my friend? Find them now and let's pretend. Found my friend, hooray, hooray. Let's have fun and play all day.
Friends use fine words. Let's practice. Say please when you ask for something. Can you say it? Please. Please. Great! Now say thank you when someone helps you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And if you make a mistake, say I'm sorry. Let's try. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please, can I have that toy? Thank you, oh what joy. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do. Kind words are the best for me and for you. Kind words every single day. They show we care in every way. Please and thank you, I'm sorry too. Kind words are the best for me and for you. Please, can I have that toy? Thank you, oh what joy. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do. Kind words are the best for me and for you. Kind words every single day. They show we care in every way. Please and thank you, I'm sorry too. Kind words are the best for me and for you.
Using kind words makes everyone feel happy. Yes. Let's remember to say please please. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you for learning all about friendship with me today. You're such a good friend and I'm so proud of you. Remember to be kind, share, and use kind words. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you with your friends. Bye.
Friends forever, we stick together through sunny days and stormy weather. We share, we care, we laugh and play. Friends forever, every day. Hand in hand, we're never apart. Friends forever, heart to heart. We share, we care, we laugh and play. Friends forever, every day.